Good evening, friends. I have something very different today to show you, and I'm sure you're all looking forward to seeing what it is. Alright, so for this project, I'm not going to tell you what it is right now, you will see that towards the end. For this project, I'm taking jewelry making thread and needle, some bicone beads, some black bicone beads, and some blackish grayish seed beads. We will need one pair of scissors as usual and some pliers. Alright, so let's get started, friends. So friends, I've taken 7 of these small beads, the seed beads, and one bicone bead. Go around this entire circle once more to make it nice and secure. Okay, I've made a circle here, as you can see. So go around this entire thing once more till you come to the bicone bead.
We got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life. Bring the right vibes and the tan lines. Keep the free mind, yeah. Cause we got the sunshine by the poolside. Such a fun time living for the hot life.
Just do a knot here, and then we can cut off the tail end. Okay. So friends, we start from this bead here. Actually, I've done 2 of these without realizing my camera was off. Ideally, you should be starting from this bead. Okay, so just take it as this as the starting point and get started. Okay, so now what you need to do is take 5 seed beads, take 5 seed beads, one of these bicone beads, 5 seed beads again, okay, 5 seed beads again, 1 2 3 4 5. All right, so get into this point, and into the third bead here, the seed bead. Okay, now do a picot like this. Okay, for that you take 3 seed beads, get into the same bead again, all the way into the remaining 2 seed beads and this large bead here. Okay, do the same picot on the other side, get into the third bead here, take 3 more seed beads, get back into the same bead again, back all the way through the picot. Come back this side, go through all the beads on this side without having to go through the picot. Now get back into this large bead here. You need to repeat the same thing. Okay, I'll show you one more time. We are here, taken 5 seed beads, take 1 bicone, 5 more seed beads, okay. Now back into this. You need to repeat the process of doing the picots on either side. Same way like we did previously. Okay. Go through this bead again, through all these, and the large bead. Oops, I've taken 5 beads instead of 3 beads. Let me undo that. Right, so we need to do the picot here, getting back through this. All the way through into this bicone, back again into these 3 beads, we do another picot here, So friends, that's how it is. So friends, this is how it goes. You go around repeating the same process all through. Now let me tell you what this project is about. It is a bracelet that I am making to size. You can do it to whatever length you want for your wrist or somebody else's wrist. You can make a bracelet. Continue doing this for whatever length you want till we reach this point. Okay, the same kind of a loop will come on this other end too. So this is how it look. So let's finish that and get back. All right, and you can also consider making a neck piece in the same pattern. All right, so let's finish and get back. Thank you. So that's it, friends. We are done with this lovely bracelet. Okay, so all that needs to be done is you attach a hook to one end of it. Okay, so both the sides have loops like this. Both the sides have loops like this. So the other side also is the same. Okay, so you can attach this hook to either side and use the other side as a loop. Okay, so only that remains to be done now. So just insert this hook on one side. Okay, and close it up. So you close it up like this and leave one side a little open, and then you hook it into this loop here on the other end. And you have your bracelet ready. Okay, so just tighten this. Once you've put this around your wrist, just tighten this up. All right. Okay, so that's it, friends. Here's our pretty bracelet. I'll show you variations of this sometime soon. So stay tuned for more such impromptu projects, and which doesn't take too much planning or too much effort. All right, so stay tuned and look forward to my new projects soon. Please share and subscribe, and do watch my videos thoroughly, and please do subscribe for more such videos. Stay tuned. Thank you and good night.